hwe for me mo bibia akwa baba amobi TV so e na mo hwe ba bia megina ya megina gomu abudru ata omo health center na megina na ubisa say den na de me be pie hanum say Mfantse Association of Minnesota omo na de ya bebre na adoye bia omo de aba be ye wo hanum no ebro ye ntia so na omo say de do mo akoma so Mfantse Association of Minnesota almost say they don't makoma so ne say enkwara any about time health ya de ehun omo pa no mo kom Mfantse krokro bebre ekoya doye ene omo tomato incubator ne ma bebre no mo de call health places no na ene so budu ata ha no say no mo hwe no mo say e say ba ne be ye adoye so at the moment ne adoye omo be ye de kra be hwe omo boa ye pa na ni na no kire say omo wodo ema abatan ene enkwara se de omo ka no omo health ya de ehu hia ye pa na ene ye ne president na woda ekuo na no Mrs. Monica Abrahams eba betwetwe nkomo ori na de yi dwuma de esine na so a to plane all the way from USA e de be pi had me so ba be ado to ye ne no eba be di nkomo na de oho bia no so mehu bitwa me hu sima na me de no abrem.
Hello, Ghana for me pacho. Me recommend you Amobi TV amamu. The whole world, America for UK for Ghana for be Amobi I am Amobi TV. Programs are one very very educative.
Kwakuchiri ba kodi America sena. Nana basin owusu ntia makantanko ni America say. Amobi TV na ba nana basin residence ya ka say. Beso man Amobi TV emu TV. Anankanta no. Obia subscribe to Amobi TV. America, Germany, everywhere. Amobi TV. Oyo ja.
Oyegusua wo gomu abudrata. Bebre ne yedi kan aka atro mo na ne Mrs. Monica Abrahams woda ekuo ewo Minnesota ano Mfantse Association of Minnesota no one da no onu ti na ye wo ha adoye mo baba ye no ne the president na kasa onu an nya vision no ene ne ba betwetwe nkomo e ba ne sen ene wan kasa me ko orphanage e ba ne sen ene wan kasa me ko street so akohwe ba bi no de enkwara ne abatan ene si na ni so a ene omufi all the way from America e ba ba ye sa adoye we say ma akwaba
ya me de
ampache ye kasa Mrs. Monica Abrahams ampacho kan bibi kakra we ye Ghana ni ka bibi kakra e fa ho kire na fa ye twetwe nkomo
me ye Ghana ni pa me ye Mfantse ni actually me ba no na one me ka asante me pesa me ye Mfantse ni na me ye man ka metumi aka Mfantse but ye nye ne
oh ma betumi Mfantse o energy na Mfantse inti fafra na Mfantse for na spontin because I association there
yeah I'll do that yeah me da CP and I have for me ba ni o abaya fefefe me bankasa eno no me da say me ba adwa me de Monica Abrahams ampa na me Mfantse ni ampa na me ankasa no mitna Ghana na mitna Accra na be mfika Accra ni na me ware na me kuno call United States and yet Minnesota until so far I mean the past 20 years that's where I've been living until kakra me ka fa me hono no me kuno ye wo mansia ye wo nananom so 10 I'm say akwa be ka ho am na 11 kra kakra me ka fa me hono no
okay my that's na udu Minnesota no e den na hu ye compared to Ghana say at least so share health way na e wo Ghana ha ene America especially Minnesota hono no den na hu ye ntia wo de bibisa si wani so say mo nya tie ka say Mfantse Association of Minnesota na e ba ne say ne bai mo plan is saying can be kakra fa ho chere.
Okay, that's a good question. Mfantse Association of Minnesota this has me better man or Mfantse Mfantse Association of Minnesota is a unique organization. Maybe you will be a Ghana Fushia and what sits with Kuku, all kinds of association. Now, what we know is associations network, or your boa friend and Nobwa koja me asema no bi abebi amam naze yeah yes ye but here no ye vision na ye mission ye more outward emankasa I work in the health care center and ye mpanyimfa ye the two cool so no ye kind dey pede something unique not the same old into no ye cool no instead ye be focus on members ye ho no ye be hwe outside na ya hwe we attend to the need of our community and no something we thought about what kind of need near kind of healthcare now healthcare no is you also be Ghana because we know that Ghana ha mo healthcare no ya no problematic akra because ni nyina gu abando na mo nya aban so a no so no boyezen nti ye kind there we will focus on healthcare in the area of women and children. Into your mission statement, you're promoting healthy mothers, healthy babies, and healthy communities. Because we believe when the mother is healthy, the child will be healthy, and the community will be healthy. And so that's why more you too cool no you my vision acquire them onion.
Okay, for how long now? What's your
so for we since 2015 in the inaugurated Ankasa. Until since 2015 it's about 6 years now. And too cool.
So far, he fan mobwa Santi kwana say moko ebi Ashanti region or different region na say central region kwana moye because Fanti Fanti France and amoko other regions.
Yeah, I mean, like you say, a fancy group, and we our focus in the central region, and it's made up of central and western region. Until our focus is on central and western region. Donations to come. But in the beginning, donations to come. We donated a couple of times. I'm still crying. Who donate to a health facility in Accra. Or friend about Tampa Health Services and a health center. Now, we donated to them because one, it's in the healthcare system, and two, they also focus on women's health, women's and children's health. And now we felt like it's a good place to donate to. One, it's in Ghana. Two, it's in the healthcare, attending to the kind of people we are focusing on. Yeah, we've donated there, and I think we continue to donate, but our focus is in the central and western region.
So far, my demo by and I say, I saw Yenipa, you shall say, nurses and doctors, women, any age, and you'll be a bit cracked to chrome her soon to me, dear Moy. I had a to me whom baby say, you crow be so crow baby away, a moa. I shall a book a crack, and then I'm going to me uncle, baby for sale, me uncle Cape Coast, baby uncle, where bearded. Now much see her a bandit of her.
Okay, so this the more you here, you choose places to donate. We pull from our own membership. Ikuno and Manu, and towards them one. This year allocated $5,000. Per day. Yes, it's a donation. It's a doyama various places. $5,000 per day. First, now you debate. You fani na nkofa ko na de nchichim. Ye atwen de chichema. Obe spread obe ko echichen de yezini na be come ipakro. Internet we invite members. Ma hwanka so waka de be oh me krom. E wo ha na me krom no dam hospital na muhia da means the me. Inti ha mobudo gomu abudo ata no. Ye member be your friend Susie. Me kan last name. Ono na oze is in my hand now also contact one no my list in the list of things that we hear and I was a bring him and here so yes it turns them bay at the same time now so other places you be call gonna do aqua you be call Winniba you be call Takrade ni na members na honu ofifi ntina was the is in my hand me be.
Also, more donation. Me who say, vice no. It's unfortunate so they had me say we now or to the car cock a crying to no yen to me in Kasa. More can be say, I say, Omon Shani man sui. I say, yen face a country na yan Kasa me no only bit to me a fix it. Obe call places be brain, maybe a government no quite near manabao. As no be actually a cotton, gloves to cry to me if I cotton. Now you beba na be in the hole. Now will be arena just say, O Shani ma winning nana. It's more say moody if America at the above. It is about to say. Omo ntumi anhwe so yi ananiema na yede bai kwafa so bia ma so ma se na na bibia mo ba fele sen afutuo na wo de ma wo no me hu se na ekoyie ka bibi kakra na fa educate om bi na obi so a o hye no e bia na de wo kan betache omo so because ya na ya se obi beto ade abrem na mo value ade no omo kwa be ka se ntimi fi America we ya na mo de bre so na mo nim se wonim the value of ade na the bre no anyhow the money involved no wonim ondo say mo de market wa we odwen sanka wo de bem say wo de ambulance be miensa e na anye no nti no on value we ma de na be ka che sankofo
za me kan de kakraba bia nsa ewi ase ma ye we obi ma Bible kra na okay also bi ma nsu cup krokra wa ye bi nti my vice kan no no kwar na ye ntanka obi ho ma akọche na aze no oye ne zende obeka dem pa cha azi hwedi o nso onye hwe de obeka na anyi paze ye hia kai like you said no bebre na yate abanya atoda menze men na de obi mpo abeche hospital in the menze men na wa say no da no TV do na sendros equipment ogo abanu mensu na wi ato ase no obi hu ano ye ya o hia ze erinja yo ye nyamedwuma ye bekodo ne ama na awo na eye damaze no awo na risu nipa bi wo nshira kwan onye nshira emfa ma wankasa nso ntimeze ma meka za encourage obi anye de bibia ewo no bibia benya no bibia obi zebeche obi ano ma onso mbo ma at least ipakro no dwono ho no to aze no odwono ho no oye nti odo e ma wanyu aso na ibi kra mpa na wanyu rebeso na rebehwedi yie no obema ipakro no wa beye bi za aka ho nti mame kan de aze kro so amekra America meko suan me ko hu ni de Ghana ha yenyi mazeche yenje azimumma enso so mama kusuan nti na me do da me ekui de ye nwahwe outside not within ourselves no because as in ewa you are seeing to me nya ni nyina enwie ansama obi o maka da music akra bia me we ya da bi e bia na obi ohia chen wa na da mo wo no me wo no obi krampo nya e make ni day into as a cheze o me nyina ye nsua na o me ye nsanko na Bible say o mamu wo nshira echen ojimpo nti wo ma ye ho nke ka ye ho na maze no ho na ye nsua de ye be ma na wa akwechi na ma bi o ho ma use as a obatan e bia awo mme ba san wo ho awo ho na ewie wo baby court si ho infanye hwe biom nyimde enhu biom betum age be obi krampa ne ba bia no auto new court which is not really necessary but onusa we and on fam more be no so betum use and so me feel there yeah dama oye instra nto do yes
ma de okay ma me fe kakra nka ho won say emba obi a cherish baby na me na ma wo me ba me baby skirt de me de kwama wi wo be ka say bi kra me be kun ba and that's on say Africans there was some perception bi obi bia ho wo dwen say wo ye papa wo ye no akoma pem odom na wo di yo ba na wadwen bone kra ma wo de da wo baby skirt so na me ba e bia me wo na me mfa no wo ko American ene ha no ma ye hu difference no wo sa kwantuo ebie enipa ni e woni ma bebre hu e bia ye ntu kwan da nti ne me bi wo ha ba me say ye nim so I naive when bebre hu nti no wa watu kwan na wonya experience 20 years in America e dey eba health issues ma wo experience bebre e wo hu even compare America or other country to Ghana no said ye treat patient and I say we Ghana ma e ya tete eti mo dwumade ya mo dey health ade simoni so sa na ma educate yen kakra e how to raise a baby or a child. I mean, when it comes to health way na akra bi okra me ka say ye wo no na oye healthy. E so buy na nurse ni bi akosho ne nsa. Akosho ne bi afi no wanya infection bi na affect ne be hu ne atwa ne nan. Be hu na ka enso ami wa no ka yamfampo anwo no. O ba wo kwa wo ba no ho ye na hye da. So it's my education be na de be my because any yet but more health you had also be about health no ma what to me dey am I or me say into common egu so aye twetwe to maka be betray.
So yeah, small what can dey it's like you know my means na what habobo minti no ma menye me dem dem sua wa America one ma me fa ma no dey na first say obi won ma akoma na dey na obeye ene dey me feel say o pesa wo de ma nipa de ye ntumi ntie na nipa beka nye tembia na ebetumi wo ya sa na bu aban ma wo ntumi nye hwe nti so de si woni so pesa wo ya wo de ye na akọ yakopon ni mu akoma me sa na metie personally no me ma bebia obi beka stop me because me nim se makoma mu fa na me de ye na me ye obetumi aka ne wo pe me de ma na beto akone kra na tokone yakopon ene me dasefo ono so na wo judge nipa nti no I may feel says up so mad, yeah, ma'am, you'll be back afa woman ho and stop. And at two, and it's health care are working. What is to America? What they are, Ukraine. There is no comparison. There is no comparison. Mean to me, Mfantse, because me sure say has say there are good nurses. There are really committed nurses, called nurses, because nursing or healthcare no, a calling. To send you can say asofudie ye calling no. Nipa share and I say we'll give care to Obino. Yan frewa and I say a new mua won't mean ye. Intin a binamo de sika and I say a meko school inti medie no, or me ni biara no. Because nya wufi wakomam na ya wo beye na wan ye na mechidi sekrum hakra na ye wo goodness sa wo mo ye wo mo adwuma ye but most of the time no kosta ye hu ne sa na I will put it all on America no. The law binds you. There is a law in place that you won't mean in your PBR. Wo ye bibia enya you will be held accountable. Now, Hanom, no, I think that the law is not mandated. It's not regulated. Obia and so it's be by the right thing. Instant nipa fa wo mu di no. And I mean there are two things. One, I was told the ope. And two, I was say should be a law binding you or guiding you in doing the right thing. No, say if it's not there now, be nyakwan aye ni enye na wa fa ho so edi, but I feel like Ghana, what is lacking is law implementation. We have to implement our law. We have to see to it that it works. Na bibinia yetumi ya yakwe nim kakra. Mejidi say I mean the law regulating the law nonkwa implementation of the law nonkwa will make a huge difference where your crew has say. Inti mekano no what was the third part? Yeah, in the healthcare, no, a mess can't form all healthcare givers say, Mummy and yem, nay, say your private clinical, say, oh, ye, a juma, will be hospital, say a government hospital, Mummy and yem, nayen strunyame, nayen fanyan ye, I will say ye, because we don't need any part and I will share no. Who name baby, that cry was so near that will be here, so be show. Ain't no ya ma obi a obi so be ye amount. Na mo me ye menye what is right.
Na me see a call inside no baby na SB maternity no ho hwe baby a bad time na o ma woda. Any baby ankwara no baby Scott be me hu ye say baby Scott. Ha me me hwe bibi concern asanso mpo arrest. So to bibi kakra mpo ko twa dangerous. It is a bibi saya na yen twen se government na mbe ye maya na say individuals say dem a attach Minnesota from Mfantse Association of Minnesota attach makoma matuma be ya do ye say e wo krom ha. E den na stop say will be so ebetumi aba be ye. Bibia na nti ye de ma government na and I say be American munya bibia so you say government na providing to no and na e also individuals need to make donation ba hospitals and bibia government no so here
government government or the same ministry so say how your friend is saying for friend ministries health department no or health commission musika e be a lot amamo during budget no and no baby any one also manages how you spend that money to be allocate where it's needed now like you saying what stops people from giving. I was hey this is not hard and now your hustle so no yen share na so share and for every your dues ni ejeje and na ye de aboma ye de abe dues na binam jeje a modo ko bonsa wa we yi ase no ye nye ne sa ye nsa wa ye bo ne yes kakra bi $100 ne de be ma wo ne ya direct so kokoye life insurance what you ase a insurance for yourself, insurance for your spouse, insurance for your children. Into no wo bibi wa nye na o hwe into no wo bibi wa wo kuna na wo yere na wo papa na mama wa $100 ne de be ma wo yes ka ni na na ye hwe sei de ba be ye adoye oh into no ye ade de ba ye no men ka say o mu de o mu ahya da so nti na ye bra ye na nya sika no de ba ye into no enya kitu bi na na me pesa me ka si so ne say obia to me ma sorry e wa hai asori bia wo kuo emekuo memakuo kwakuo monje tinki sa koti a wo kan ya wo se arasti hey paint bi betumi ato paint a gallon paint no abe painti ebeye foforo no bi so ato eyi mattress atum ye wie court le me hu e for mienu ye metal mienu ye wooden wo paint sisi no the mattress tum a etisa foforo na ina imagination no bia no so this abema wadwene adane na watumi anya papa ye aye unhia thousands of dollars and so why papa kitua bia etumi ye bibi oh na me ade ba kwa me ba ya ha me personally kakra e wom say ha no manya kolebu ana say this year but ahunini e form no cry dusty oh in a hospital, how can you allow dust? Meaning some foot to quine, but every morning or someone to me mop a form honum, not dust in the free honum because a health place should be sanitary. Oh, into no nina jina so meaning say bia na one muniska or mode high a cleanness near day, but the fact say in my windows ni na dust in near no, I feel like they should take it upon themselves and do it. And clean it. Internal individual giving a year America who has no beer to me.
It's my mother, a man and never send back for baby. I mean,
well, no, a choir by no. Usually, no, yana per se your presentation, you move you were high in the choir last year. A member meeting a choir presentation with Takrade, it's on incubator command. Takrade European Hospital. Remember me in the core. Depending on who is here, no. And yen penny for the back of no so waha. Me buy ya no so core. Into me by December or December first week in December. Into some more waha no more and baby giant. Into member ne bi wum.
For 5-6 years in a mukuno. Mo yeah. Mama ya. It's not say apart from Minnesota no. Other states so BBC.
Yeah, definitely. In fact, there were your Congress, Mfantse Association of North America and Canada, and then the whole Congress. No, 3 years ago, you had a big conference for Ohio, to almost so would be. Na in Washington so be wo na Canada so be wo and not so as much as other some organizations be to say kwapin man but you will other almost so ye be
and say me also what do you think?
That's a good idea. It's possible now. I will try cry to me. I can't who abuma and
I Ghana they are doing be good.
I didn't know Ghana they are doing pa. You know, ope no. you bet me aye. Why not?
Say some Mfantse for so there bibia ye efe ye pade efe eti monya branch no so ha na Mfantse for ha so form ho djuma say the work no 1 city 2 cities 1 city 2 cities ye na ye betumi ana sorry crumple the kakra ba we can all help so ho na ama oman no so aye ni kakra say the hu obi de ye efe no ya ka say wo so yi so wajib say country no be fix na menu mienu e na be fix enya government nkwa na be fix sometimes so your attitude no e putting crofobia off mo be ye bibi kra na omo mpeso mo be se ye bebe na mo jija ne mai agugu ho ana ye de be mo sesa ne mo yakomu fie e koton a be de na obi so e de aba ma ye da sesa woni ye kasa da hwe me camera mu mame na hwe me camera mu mame na mame o last words kwara ne about time e da makoma so e da futuo e na de be ma about time a e wu bebre e so mo ni support
Me ka dia share about time na crying say Emma Yami Achade is true. Na enso no ye wiase na ye wo no ye koye nim in such a way say Ghana crowd ya kechi dada. Enso so yen kola na ye so bright and gifted. Say instead so be wonsia no wo 3 a won sabe ko wo ho betumi ama mo akọ school no aduechi. About time bia no impenifo na kan say akokọ bi de na ne mbade nachi. Most of the time oba no pe wo na wo sabe ko nkola no most enti homework wo na obehwa mo aye mo be free school be ba be di wo na obehwa mo ama wo sports bi ko na mo pesa mo kwa wo na obehwa mo akọ wo hu na me pesa me hye ni pen crying say wo ma woni ekwa wo ba school hu a unye too busy in having children wo be busy in seeing to the say akola no school ko ne nyini mu no. You'll be so busy in that say won't say oh but me hwe enti me kwakọ wubium and even cry no also so for your own health as for bad time no wo say we try wa so ntem na ahoden atena wo when ahoden ache because wo are in your 50s na say wo ahoden so na wo te no bon say nche na yare abowa de ato ho na ade ba ko a menim say the binimo dwene but ebia na obi adwene nko so ene say meka de anyane nkrofo say momma mondwene momma da ache ho ohu akola wo to ho na no start imagine say me bay onyina de na obeye me pesa wo yesei meboa na mana yesei mama na yesei nti onyina du baby a ono so onim owo eni swadi hu bi o pesa o kasa say na pesa me ye no a na wa back no o back no a adesua mu books mu me say me sha me papa de bia okoba bia oto book brem onim say me pe reading nti no sa na wo boa no no obi one master me school am wo call ye bi na me call ntimi nye homework wo tena wo ba ne nchen kra bo no nkomo keka na wo sua homework wo boa no oh nti no mama ye ni nkonkola no because nkola na ya wo mu nanse omu ye gifted wo mu eni ebue ate echen ye mre no nti kakra bi obesua no school no wo boa no kakra ka ho a o de be ye no market se nya wo kwa abrochire nko na obetumi aye engineer na doctor na say obetumi aye bibi kese ehe ya omutumi ye nti mama ye ni enko ye ma ne ho na ye nsa enso nkokwa wo mo ho ye guide wo no na ye encourage wo no mo adesua mu ma emma no mam ye nso so nkola no so mo nko ware ntem you see I ma doctors na ma engineers ni na no ye pebi na me enhwe aban nko a enya aban nko na betumi aye bibia ye yan so ye betumi aye aboa ye ho ketwa bi enso ketwa betumi aye bia de aboa bia no enso ebie bedu echi
you are friend na de da yekoso ya ne pitchim Mrs. Monica Abraham sena motene nka ono na da eku a eye Mfantse Association of Minnesota USA on the da no omo president ye no adoye omo be ye man sem bebre no ne ya den aka bebre no so afutu oba atan ya wo hwe me fa ne na ye mfantu ye hofo na emwa oman no na government na so me say face the country ne be ya ene ye maame na ka bebre no me no mi enu ne betumi ye te ya wo so ye hwe ye hu ya ni na so betumi aye bibi dia support oman no ama ye na so fa hu die na ye den abeye ye dia na edin na ye adwoa amobi sa won subscribe to the channel na bomodin say subscribe na aboafo eboa me mam de dwumadi ebremo my favorite things so Kumasi Bokom Estate me say all designer wear empaboa emba entade enkwara ne ma bibia wo pe bia designer wear bia me say ko no my favorite things is only man from USA and no dia ba nya mehia menua to ade wo hono mu a wo be sha this one na wo so wabre asara de akwakoto wo no hwe me screen so be so numbers no e wo ho no so wo contact o my favorite thing bibia wo pe bia no wo betumi delivery ni na ba bia wo bia na etumi e de deliver so e de ma na me do call kokomlemle so Porsche bridals Porsche so bre afina yesimo aware na na egu so no bra all souvenir bra non plan o wedding embra bibia wo pe wo wedding ho be plan de wo pe se odi from wedding gown to de ben ni na wo kof Porsche ho no so o honom de wo pe bia Porsche be no fefefe e de ma no so kokomlemle e na Porsche no so be hu se Porsche bridals and so form number no na contact omo na be sa so ko Germany memo and so Ghana cargo group page container almost so yeah shipping company kesia and so Germany memo and then na person de ba Ghana all home user na edian na person woto edebra and so contact Ghana cargo group page container and so omo ho hwe ho screen so me so omo number eda ho no and so yeah kumbewu behro ehene behro hene o kumbewu ono na say on de enye ahindie no nko a o osan so eye adwuma eti company kase ye shipping company na nothing for you kojan a champion the third ne shipping company na na se contact na de bia person de ba Ghana ha so person wo tukura fi Germany do ne mani na ba Ghana mpa ni na se contact wo mo ni na so mo ho de ma na me sa fe edi na adwoa mo bi se one subscribe to my channel na bomodin so be subscribe Amobi TV all my social media handles no Amobi TV obi hack my account no etina so who bibia foforo bia na chese eyemia enye obi foforo obi hack Amobi account no de wo ho na me de wo subscribers bebre no omo hack e wo me Facebook enti so who send notification bi foforo asamba wo Facebook and I say enye obi na de abram enti me YouTube all my social media handles no Amobi to bomodin so be subscribe ma me say ha yenye before ha me say ye interview ya de educate ya de mpuntu e ma oman no me do say so hwe me da send be say share
yo anuanom ni adofo Ghana for baby biara obutu bia wo hwe me no edin ameje so ya anti bi Mrs Kofi ashigogo ba kope ziengeze na maje osu zientoto ntaba alikpo nkpa na maje osu fofo ni nche braizia sabre baby amigina ene de me kanfo ama wo Amobi TV sa wo pesa wo hwe ni amapa no wani che wo hu wankasa wo sere se chesa rewo ni Amobi TV o de bia wo bete afutu sam enioma egu Amobi TV no mesra wo enhwe baabia nchim wafidie nkonkoto baabia ahwe Amobi TV papa Amobi TV uni size Amobi TV kayiko mi Allah ashi go ba kope anti bi mini size enunti na me kanfo se hwe Amobi TV no omunsu omuni size medasio